Hi, welcome to Moni Maths. Good morning all. In previous video, we were discussed about finding the limits using the definition or using the formulas, right? We have solved some of the problems in the limits using the formulas, formula based. So in this video, I would like to give you how to find the limits of indeterminate forms. Indeterminate forms. So actually, whenever limit extends to infinity or limit extends to a, f of x, limit extends to a, f of x, okay, this f of x is gives when substituting by a some infinity, or when the function is in rational, when the function is in rational, like f of x by g of x, limit extends to a, f of x by g of x. So then this value gives by substituting x is a, having in 0 by 0 form, or infinity by infinity form, or 0 into infinity form, 0 power 0 form, or infinity power 0 form, infinity minus infinity form, or 1 power infinity form. Okay. So these are all called as indeterminate forms. These are all called indeterminate forms. Okay. So here I would like to give you in this video how to solve this kind of problems, how to find the limits of these kind of problems. Okay. Yeah. So please subscribe my channel for getting more videos of GATE mathematics. Those who want to prepare for GATE and learn some basic mathematics. So first I would like to give you here, in case of indeterminate form, we are using L'Hopital rule. L'Hopital rule. Or also called as L'Hospital rule. We call it as L'Hospital or L'Hopital, whatever you like. Okay. So what it says that if the limit by substituting x is a, f of x by g of x becomes to be one of these indeterminate form, becomes to be one of these by substituting f of a by g of a, and this will be f of a by g of a, this will be one of these indeterminate form. Now using of L'Hopital rule, we can write this f dash of x by g dash of x, derivative of numerator by derivative of denominator, and substituting the limit value there. If it is finite, then that value is called as limit of the function, limit of the given rational function. Okay. So that is the procedure we have to follow in case of L'Hopital rule. So would like to solve some of the problems here. Please see how we can solve. See, first I would like to go for 0 by 0 indeterminate form. 0 by 0 indeterminate form. Means when we substitute x is a, f of x by g of x, that will be 0 by 0. Like for example, I have the problem as like this: x square minus 4 by x minus 2, where x is approaches to 2. Here if I substitute by x is 2, what happens is 4 minus 4 by 2 minus 2, that will be 0 by 0 form. That will be 0 by 0 form. Okay. So using of L'Hopital rule, we can write this. Using of L'Hopital rule, we can write this. So the derivative of numerator by derivative of denominator. Okay. And substitute x value 2 into 2, this will be 4. So that's our limit. Or you can go by another process. Here if you observe that the numerator is in the form of a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b, that is x plus 2 into x minus 2. Okay. and denominator is x minus 2 is remains. So this will be limit x tends to 2, x plus 2. This will be 2 plus 2, this will be 4. So you can go by this process or this process, whatever you like, L'Hopital rule or expansion rule, whatever you like, okay. So I go by second one. Second example, limit x tends to pi, x square minus pi square by sin x. X square minus pi square by sin x. So if I substitute x by pi here, pi square minus pi square is 0, sin pi is also 0, which is in the form of 0 by 0. So I have to go for L'Hopital rule. This will be the derivative of numerator 2x and derivative of denominator is cos x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. So this will be by substituting the limit 2 into pi by cos pi, that is 2 pi by cos pi, you know it, minus 1. Cos pi is minus 1. So this value is nothing but minus 2 pi. This value is nothing but minus 2 pi. Okay. So that is about second problem. I go for third problem. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x square. 1 minus cos x by x square. If I substitute 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0, by 0 square is 0, okay. 0 square is 0, okay. Now this will be using of L'Hopital rule, minus of minus, derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of cos x is minus sin x by this is 2x, okay. This is 2x, okay. So you can apply again L'Hopital rule or you can go by formula wise, whatever you like. This will be sin x by 2x, okay. So this will be 1 by 2 times limit x tends to 0, sin x by x, this will be 1, so this will be 1 by 2. Or you can apply again L'Hopital rule here, limit x tends to 0, cos x by 2 into derivative of x is 1. Now we can apply 1 by 2 into cos 0 is 1. That is 1 by 2. Whatever you like, okay. In both ways you will get the same answer. Okay. So if I go for another problem, limit x tends to 0, 3 minus root of x square plus 9 by x square. So if I substitute 0 here, 3 minus root 9 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0 and 0 square is 0, which is in the form of 0 by 0. So whenever root appears, is better to go for rationalize. You can apply L'Hopital rule also, but it takes some more process. So you have to go for rationalize, that will be easy to us. Root of x square plus 9. So I have root in numerator, so I would like to apply rationalization of numerator. That will be 3 plus root x square plus 9 by 3 plus root x square plus 9. And this will be in the form of a minus b into a plus b, that will be a square minus b square, a square minus b square by denominator I keep it same, 3 plus root of x square plus 9. So this will be limit x tends to 0, 9 minus x square plus 9 by x square 3 plus root of x square plus 9. 9 gets cancelled, x square also gets cancelled, and this will be minus 1 by 3 plus root of x square plus 9. I substitute 0, minus 1 by 3 plus root of 0 plus 9, minus 1 by 3 plus 3, that is minus 1 by 6, minus 1 by 6. So this is the value when we rationalize. If you get 0 by 0, you can go by L'Hopital rule, or rationalization because of root appears here, whatever you like, you will get same answer in both cases. Okay, so that's about some of the problems in 0 by 0 form. Now I would like to go by infinity form. Infinity by infinity form. Okay, so I would like to take first example, limit x tends to infinity 2x square minus 3x plus 7 by x square plus 4x plus 1. So if I substitute infinity, this is in the form of infinity by infinity. So in case of infinity by infinity, the best process is taken highest power, the common in highest power in numerator, and taken common highest power in denominator. So that is the best procedure actually. Or you can apply L'Hopital rule also, that also will solve, don't worry. So here I take x square as common, 1 plus 4 by x plus 1 by x square. Now x square gets cancelled. Now I substitute infinity here, 2 minus 0 plus 0 by 1 plus 0 plus 0. This will be 2. This will be 2. Or I can apply L'Hopital rule. If I apply L'Hopital rule, this will be, if I apply L'Hopital rule, this will be 2 into 2x minus 3 by 2x plus 4. Okay. So again it is in infinity by infinity form. So again by applying L'Hopital rule, I will get limit x tends to infinity 4 into 1 minus 0 by 2 into 1 minus 0 plus 0. So this is 2 2s are 4, this will be 2. Likewise you should apply L'Hopital rule, number of power, the power of x square. Because of this x square, you have to apply 2 times. If it is x power 4, you should be applying 4 times. Instead of that, you should take highest power is common. That will be easy. Okay. Whatever you like, you can go. Now again I go for second problem. So limit x tends to 0 plus. 1 by x square by ln x. 1 by x square by ln x. So of course you know it is infinity by infinity form, because of ln 0 is undefined, infinity. 1 by 0 is infinity. Okay. So I would like to apply L'Hopital rule. So derivative of 1 by x square is minus 2 by x cube, and derivative of ln x is 1 by x. So this will be square. Okay. So what we'll get is minus 2 by x square, even though it is infinity. There is no chance of again applying L'Hopital rule. So that's it. That's enough. The limit of the given function. That's enough. Okay. Now I go for another problem. Limit x tends to infinity x cube minus cos x by 2x plus sin x whole square. So this is also in the form of infinity by infinity. So if I apply L'Hopital rule, limit x tends to infinity 3x square minus of minus plus sin x 2 plus 2 sin x cos x. Derivative of sin x whole square is 2 into sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. This will be 3x square plus sin x by 2 plus sin 2x. Again I will get same. Or if you dividing with x, both numerator and denominator, 2 by x plus sin 2x by x. this is infinity, this is infinity, okay. Same thing you will get infinity. So if you get finite value, that will be the limit. If you are unable to get finite value, that will be the okay, means limit is undefined, the limit is undefined, okay. Okay, so now we go for 0 power 0 form, the example of 0 power 0 form, okay. So please concentrate here, this is very important. So for example, limit x tends to a, x minus a whole power x minus a. So this is in the form of 0 power 0. So in this case, you should assume y equal to x minus a by power, x minus a power x minus a. Here you should take ln on both sides. Using of ln, you should solve this kind of problems. I should take ln, okay. So this is ln of x minus a of power x minus a, nothing but x minus a into ln of x minus a, okay. Now take limit x tends to a ln y, limit x tends to a x minus a into ln of x minus a. Now I should rewrite this, ln of x minus a by x minus a, okay. So this is in the form of again this is in the form of infinity by 0. So I go by L'Hopital rule, okay. So derivative of ln is 1 by x minus a and derivative of x is 1. So 1 by infinity is 0, okay. So ln y, limit x tends to a ln y is nothing but ln y, there is no x here, so ln y is 0, y equal to e power 0, that will be 1. So the limit of this one is 1, okay. So this is in case of 0 power 0. So whenever 0 power 0, infinity power 0, we should go by taking of ln. You solve that kind of problems by taking of ln. I would like to give you example of infinity power 0. See, infinity power 0. So limit n tends to infinity, n power 1 by n. This is in the form of infinity power 0. Here also you should take y is n power 1 by n, take ln on both sides, ln n power 1 by n, this is 1 by n ln n. Now take limit ln n by n. This is in the form of again infinity by infinity. So I go by L'Hopital rule. This will be limit n tends to infinity 1 by n by 1. So this will be 0, 1 by infinity is 0, okay. So ln y is 0, means that y equal to e power 0, means that 1, y equal to 1. So means that limit n tends to infinity, n power 1 by n will be 1. So this kind of problems you should take whenever in 0 power 0, infinity power 0, you should go by take ln, okay. So this is the ways we can solve using of L'Hopital rule, okay, of indeterminate forms. So thank you all. Please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you all. Thank you.